Hi there, it's Daphne here. I'm an industrial design student and a Vizcom ambassador. In this video, I'll show how I designed this portable speaker using Vizcom in Workbench. Firstly, as usual, I started with identifying the core user, doing some benchmark, gathering some inspirations, searching some details about my product and what I want to achieve, and gathered all of them in Workbench since it is easier to go back and forth. Here are some iterations and variations of the sketch. There are renders. I chose to go with this one and started rendering some environment and adding some other details. My main focus was to show from different angles and portray its function. And there are two tools that I use the most. First one is the magic eraser and other one is the remove background. They work great. So firstly, I erased the handle part to create this bottom part separately and deleted the body to do it separately and removed their backgrounds. After that, I sketched some inverted area with this pen tool in Vizcom and tilted and rotated this handle to make it look as if it is moving or popped off. Here are some of my first renders. While rendering them, after writing the prompt, in reference part, I chose style and selected this my final design to use it as a style. When I do that, it is more consistent. Here's the final render of this image. I wanted to add some human references like hands holding it or next to it. Here it's a bit different. Firstly, I imported this image. It looked great, the perspective and lights, and imported this 3D model again. Luckily, we can change its focal length. I adjusted it to the photograph. After that, I added this front layer of this hand and rendered it. After the render, product changed a bit, like the buttons were too narrow, but I drew it by hand by using some editing tools here. Also, here's another example of adding a hand. In this one, here's the blank, just the product. I sketched an ugly hand, rendered it. Product changed a lot, but I added this transparent layer at the front and used this environment to render again. In environment renders, it doesn't change any product details. It just adds shadows or reflections. So I use that a lot. And cherry on top, here are some animations with basic prompts like hand picking the speaker up. This was all. Thanks for watching. Add a comment below. Let's discuss something. See you later.